Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily find like the different applications for media on your PS5. So like Netflix, or if you're going to be using Amazon Prime or anything else like that. So on the home screen here, we have two different selections. We have games and then we have media. Just use the D-pad, go up to this, select it. Now we can go on over to where it says all apps and we can scroll down. And featured is Netflix right here. Then we also have Hulu, Prime Video, DAZN, I believe that's more for like sports and stuff, Apple TV, Twitch. So just scroll through this list until you find Netflix or the one that you want to go ahead and watch. And then you can get it right here. So you can select it and then you can get it to your PlayStation 5. Otherwise, if you can't find it at any point in time, you can go to search. Then you can type in Netflix. So let's type in net and see what pops up. Flix, right here. So it's very easy to find this application. And then I believe you can just sign in using a internet browser or something like that, or your phone by scanning something. But you should be good to go now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.